I'm Tahi. This is TV Korean to help you study Korean. Today's useful expression is this.
너 진짜 미쳤어? 미쳤네. 단단히 미쳤네.
Today's expression is 미쳤네. 미쳤네. The meaning is crazy. Are you crazy? Is she crazy? Is he crazy? I'm crazy. 미쳤네. The dictionary form is 미치다. 미치다. Conjugation. 미쳤어? 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 미쳤어요? 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 미쳤네. 미쳤네. 미쳤네.
너 미쳤어? 너 미쳤어? 미쳤어!
미쳤네. 미쳤네.
미쳤나봐 is I think she's crazy. I think you are crazy. I think I'm crazy. 미쳤나봐. Today we learned about 미쳤네. 미쳤네. You're crazy. I'm crazy. Maybe everybody is crazy. 미쳤네. 미쳤나봐. I think everybody's crazy. 미쳤나봐. 아주 좋아요. Very good. If you enjoyed watching my video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 다음에 만나요. 안녕.
다음 주에 만나요. 제발.